In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Temu to Shopify. This process will be straightforward and, by the end, you'll have everything set up seamlessly. To begin, once you're logged into your Shopify account, shift your attention to the left panel of your admin dashboard. Here, you'll find the Apps tab. It's your gateway to a variety of third-party applications that can enhance and expand the functionality of your Shopify store. So, go ahead and click on Apps. This will bring you to the dedicated Apps page where you can discover new tools to integrate with your store. Next, at the top of this page, you'll see a search bar. This is specifically for searching through Shopify's extensive app store. Type Temu into the search bar and press Enter. As you do so, Shopify will present you with a list of relevant third-party apps that facilitate the connection between your Shopify store and Temu. It's important to spend a little time here, reviewing the options presented to you, because different apps may offer slightly different features. Some might focus on specific functionalities you need, while others might offer broader integration capabilities. Once you have the list in front of you, your next step is to select an app. Click on an app that seems like it might suit your needs. This will take you to its app page, where you can dive deeper into the details of what this particular app offers. Pay close attention to the features and pricing plans detailed on this page. It's crucial to match these with your specific requirements and budget considerations. Most of these pages will also offer user reviews and ratings that could be very insightful during your decision-making process. If you find an app that ticks all your boxes, you'll want to proceed with the installation. Look for the Install button on the app page. Clicking this will begin the app's setup process, which is typically guided and straightforward. Each app will have its own unique process for setup, and this might include connecting your accounts or configuring specific settings to ensure that everything works perfectly with your Shopify store. And that's all it takes. By following these steps, you'll have your Temu connected to your Shopify store in no time. This will allow you to optimize and streamline your operations, enhancing how you manage and interact with your store's functionalities. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.